Hello my dear friend, welcome back to my channel. I am Megha. Today I want to thank you all of you for doing comment or give me genuine suggestion about my mistakes which I have done in my previous video. One person is also talking about to create videos in Hindi, but now I am not currently planning to make videos in Hindi because my agenda to creating this channel to improve myself to speak confidently, but later I have also planned to make videos in Hindi, but not now. And uh, today I want to say why I am created this channel. So let's start to a story about this channel. When I am the student from the Bihar, where Hindi is the main speaking language, and as a student, we never find an environment where we can talk in the English with my friends or classmates. But when I am entering my college, here I found a lot of students, professors, or many persons were speaking in the English with confident. But I am from the Hindi background student, and that time for me it's not possible for me to speak in English. And that time I was understanding the English syntaxes some like that, but not able to speak. So that time I am felt very ashamed that time, how could not I am able to speak in English. So I decided to improve myself and to work. So from that time I started to work on myself. And also, firstly, in the first year, I started to talk with my batchmates, and doing started a small conversation like that. What is your name? Where from where you belong to? What is your branch? And what is your phone number, room number, etc. And in this second year, I started to take help from the Duolingo app, and some AI tools like ChatGPT, and another spoken English website also. And currently I am in my second year, and I continue until now I am continuously doing practice and work on my spoken English, and to speak confidently. So I also want to say, I know Hindi is our mother language and we should respect also. But respect is another thing, and growing with words is another thing. We can't ignore the importance of the English. English is our international language, and all over people of the world are speaking this. So if we want to grow in this time, so we should also learn how to speak in English. It's important, and many people are not favoring this concept, and they want to cling to the old thing. Yes, old tradition we should follow also, but we should also expect that they adopt new thing also, with keeping respect towards our old things. So I want to say, you should also start to speak in the English and improve your conversation also. So let's more talk about in the another video. And thank you for your kind suggestion. Please like and subscribe my video. Bye.